Did you know one of Rome's richest men deliberately slept on the floor and ate only bread and water? Seneca owned vast fortunes and advised Emperor Nero, yet he chose to practice voluntary poverty. He wrote to his friend Lucilius about these exercises: wear rough clothes for a week, sleep without a bed, eat the simplest meals. Why torture yourself when you're wealthy? Seneca understood something we've forgotten. True freedom isn't having more, it's needing less. He called it practicing for loss. If you've already lived without comfort, you'll never fear losing it. His philosophy faced the ultimate test when Nero ordered his death. While his wife and friends wept, Seneca remained calm. He had prepared for this moment his entire life. Every morning he reflected on what could go wrong. Every evening he reviewed his actions. Not to worry, but to build inner strength. Today we chase security through accumulation. Seneca found it through preparation. The man who can lose everything and still smile has already won. Practice needing less. That's where real power lives.